of the week, and happy autumn. Autumn is that time of year when it gets a bit cooler. We have shorter days and longer nights, and we're moving farther from summer and closer to winter. The autumnal Autumn is when daylight hours decrease due to our place in space. We know this is the Earth, and that each year the Earth travels one orbit around the Sun. We also know the Earth rotates on its axis, which is an invisible line that travels through the North and South poles. But did you know that in relation to the Sun, this axis is tilted? Yup, about 23.5 degrees on its side. In this picture, the North Pole is tipped a little closer to the Sun than the South Pole. The Northern Hemisphere is catching more direct sunlight, so it is Northern Hemisphere summer. It's Southern Hemisphere winter. Now the South Pole is closer. When the Earth is over here, it is summer in the Southern Hemisphere, and in the North, it's winter. That's an example of how it works in space, but we can set this up at home. Here is my sun, a flashlight on a chair. Here's my Earth, a globe that's tilted on a stool. They can both roll, and so I can roll these around the room, simulating 1 year. Of course, it's dark in space, so I turned off the lights. And let's go. We can see here it is Northern Hemisphere winter because the direct sunlight, whether it's day or night on Earth, is hitting the Southern Hemisphere. Time passes. Now, the direct sunlight is hitting close to the middle of the Earth, or the equator. This would be Northern Hemisphere spring. Time passes. And now it is Northern Hemisphere summer. Because the North Pole is tilted toward the Sun, we can see direct sunlight is hitting the Northern Hemisphere much more than the Southern Hemisphere. And time passes once more. It is now autumn in the Northern Hemisphere. The sunlight is directly hitting the equator, but it's moving further to the south each day. Now you know the reason for the seasons.